Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with YouTube TV not working, you're not alone. Many users encounter issues from time to time, but don't worry. We've compiled 3 effective methods to help you fix this problem quickly and easily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get your YouTube TV back up and running smoothly. Method 1. Check your internet connection. 1. Test your connection. Open another app or website on your device to see if it connects to the internet. If other services are also slow or unresponsive, the issue may be your internet connection. 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to fully reboot. 3. Connect via Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This will provide a more stable connection. Method 2. Clear application cache. 1. Access your device settings. After the update completes, launch the YouTube TV app and check if it's functioning properly. Thank you for watching. If these methods helped you fix your YouTube TV issues, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support means a lot to us. On your device, go to the Settings menu. This can usually be accessed by clicking the gear icon. 2. Find Applications. Navigate to the Apps or Application Manager section in your settings. 3. Select YouTube TV. Scroll through the list and select YouTube TV. 4. Clear cache. Tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. 5. Restart the app. Exit the settings and reopen the YouTube TV app to see if the issue has been resolved. Method 3. Update the YouTube TV app. 1. Open your device's App Store. Access the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. 2. Search for YouTube TV. Use the search bar to find YouTube TV. 3. Check for updates. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Click it to download and install the latest version of the app. 4. Reopen YouTube TV.